Hey guys, really wasn't gonna make another video today, but I wanted to come and do a review video on this Black Gold Explorer dog food, pet food. Y'all can see what it looks like. Dog on the bag, hunting dog. It looks like, and it's 20. Let's see, optimal performance 2618. I guess 26% protein, 18% fat, or something to that effect. Whatever. Well, I had never bought this before, and just bought it recently. This is my second bag that I've had. It's a 50-pound bag, and my Great Dane does good, but my Pit Bull has skin problems, really bad skin problems, and he's been on different dog foods over the years, and nothing's really cleared it up. Well, he's on this, and within a matter of days, his skin was cleared up. So this may be something for you people that's looking to change your dog's food for people's dogs that has real bad skin allergies, because it does have stuff for joint health, which is good because my Great Dane needs to be on that. It has omega-3 fatty acids, omega-3 and 6. You can buy it through eBay. Every now and then they run it and they had it on sale. That's the reason I bought the first bag, because I normally buy pedigree dog food. You know, you got to buy what you can afford when you're on a fixed income and you got big dogs. So I want to make sure they're fed good. But if anybody wants to support the channel and support the dog food situation, you can donate to the Cash App. I'll put links for all of it. I'll put links to where you can get this. You can also buy it through Chewy. I'll include the website link for that. It's just an all-around good dog food. I mean, yeah, it's not the cheapest, but it's not the most expensive either. So that's a good thing. Just thought some of y'all might want to check it out. I think their packaging is pretty awesome. Really don't care for the price that much. Normal price is like $50, so that makes it hard for people. But like I said, hey, if y'all want to give to the Cash App, I would appreciate it. Support the YouTube channel, like, subscribe, share, all of that. I really do appreciate all the support. I'm trying to come up with more and more content for y'all. I'm gonna have 2 videos, either today or tonight, coming out. So I really do appreciate that. Trying to keep up with the content every day, but I thought somebody out there in the pit that has dogs might want to see this. Well, I guess it's been around for a long time. I've seen it on Tubi before, but never bought it. But I'm telling you what, my dog looked horrible. His hair was not growing all that good. I mean, scabs on his ears, my one pit bull, and everything. It was just nothing cleared that up. Not even vet medicine. You know, and they spent a lot of money on that dog. And within having this food about 3 days, his skin was clearing up. Clearest I've seen it in probably 4 years. So that's really, really crazy. Alright guys, like I said, I'll include the links. Donate to the GoFundMe if you can. Donate to the Cash App for the bus project, or the GoFundMe for the bus project. Like I said in the other video, got contacted about the bus, but I'm still short on funds. Got some money saved in there, a couple $100, but it ain't enough. Those things are expensive. So hey, well, I guess I'll catch you guys around on the next video. You guys have a blessed night.